This video is an update for the original instructions using my Twisted Chain Link Jig. In the original instructions you were taught the construction of the twisted link using solder to keep the wire ends together. This tutorial will show you how to make the same twisted link without using solder. The solderless link has the same strength as its predecessor using solder. It can easily carry a heavy pendant such as this cameo. The tools you will need is one Twisted Link Chain Jig, wire cutters, chain nose pliers, round nose pliers, a ruler, and of course the wire. Before we can start making our links, we need to adjust the jig from here to here depending on the size of the link we want. You do not need any special tools to adjust this jig. The length of your link will be from this post to this post. I want to make a 1/2 inch finished twisted link, so I cut 2 inches of round 24 gauge copper wire. With the tip of your round nose pliers, go down about 1/3 the length of your wire. Fold the bottom portion up and around the jaw to form a U shape with one side longer than the other. Turn your wire and place your pliers about a 1/2 inch above the bottom portion of the loop. Take the top wire and fold it over your plier tip until it meets the wire on the other side. Reposition your round nose pliers so that they are holding the back 2 wires without crossing them. Take the top wire, fold it over the end of the nose until it looks like that. Okay, we are back with the jig. We want to remove this cotter pin and take our loop that we've just completed. We want to slip it in the slot. Take the cotter pin and push it through the hole, through the loop, and through the back portion of the jig. So you'll push the handle in, put the loop over the top of the peg, and release the handle. Turn your handle 1, 2, 3 times. Now we want to remove our link from the jig. Remove the cotter pin and then take your finished link off of the peg, and there you have it. Now we need to trim the loose ends from our link. Take the loose wire and pull it up to about a 90-degree angle. Take your cutters, lay it flush against the link, and snip it off. So let's do the other side the same way. We are now ready to make the second link of our chain. I've cut my wire, placed it in the pliers, and folded the bottom end up. And I'll fold the top wire down, reposition my pliers, and fold the top wire over toward the front. Before we can twist this loop, we need to add our finished link. So we will take that, put it on the longer wire that's on the left, go around and back. It is now in the loop part of the left side with the longer wire on top. Now take your loop and insert it into the slot and place the cotter pin through the hole, through the loop, through the back to hold it. Okay, now you need to push the handle of the jig toward the center just a little to loop your wire over the peg and turn 1, 2, 3. Remove the cotter pin. Your handle will slip back. Remove the link, and they are joined. Now that the second link is finished, it's time to trim the ends the same as we did before. Pick up the loose end with your flush clippers and cut it off. And there you are. You can keep adding the twisted links to your chain for as long as you want. You can use different lengths. Don't necessarily have to be a 1/2 inch length. Happy linking, and God bless.